I'm going to show you how to install this no drill mount for your Google Nest doorbell that's battery. Okay, so out of this box right here, this is all that comes with it. You have this right here, which we're going to mount onto the wall. The adhesive's right here. You get instruction manuals, and we have 3 silver screws and 3 black screws right there. And we have an extra adhesive right here. You definitely want to keep this, okay? Because the thing is, once you want to move the doorbell, you're going to have to rip it off the wall like I had to do, and I didn't keep the spare around, so I had to buy another one. Anyway, make sure you keep that around. So here's the Google Nest doorbell, okay? Now here's the plate, and you also have a wedge that comes with the doorbell battery as well. You can use this or not, it's up to you, okay? So there's 2 ways you can do it. We can put it on with the wedge or without the wedge. Without the wedge, it's even easier, okay? So this is the main plate where you actually attach this to, okay? So if you don't want to use a wedge, if you don't want like a 20 degrees angle on it, then all you got to do is grab this right here. It says up right here, okay? So you're going to pop that onto your wall wherever you want. This says up right there, okay? Now you want to go ahead and grab this plate here that attaches to the doorbell here, okay? Now you can see the logo, the G on there. You can turn those, nothing there. So if you want to just put this straight on like this and just make it straight with no angle, all you got to do is put it just like this. And these screws here would just take 2 of them, okay? And you would use the little silver screws right there and right there. Pop that to your wall, and then you can clamp it on there. Now for myself, I'm going to actually use the wedge. Now if I didn't have this laying around, I would just go straight just like this. It's a little bit of a difference, but I already have it, so I'm going to go ahead and do it. So with the wedge, you have to decide, do you want it tilted this way or do you want a little bit tilted this way? Okay, for me, I'm going to go a little bit this way. So we're going to put the wedge on like that. And now if I wanted to connect this wedge onto this right here, I have to use the black screws, the wedge screws, not the silver ones. Okay, so let me put 2 black ones in there first. So I'm going to put one right there and another one black down there. Okay, next I'm going to put this plate on here, onto here. Now don't forget, this is the plate where it actually attaches onto here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and grab this. I see the G right there, the letter G, and I'm going to put this like this. Okay, so now I'm going to use just 2 of the silver screws. I'm going to put one right there and one right down here. So I just screwed those 2 silver ones in. Now before I put this wall, let me just make sure, let me pop this on here, make sure it works. Okay, it snaps in no problem. Okay, looks like it's working. Now let me just go ahead and take this off, and I'm going to put it to by my door here. So now I'm just going to grab this one, place exactly how I want it. Let me take this adhesive off now, and I'm going to stick it near my door. So I'm going to place it right here. Just make sure the wall here is clean. Just give it a little pressure for a little bit. Just hold it for like 30 seconds or so. All right, that's about good. Now let's go ahead and put this on. See if it works. There it goes. It took a second. There we go.